When you open the ALEKO Upholstered Fabric Luxury Office Chair, your kit will include one wheelbase, one chair seat, one chair back, two armrests, one base plate, and all the necessary hardware needed for assembly. Turn the wheelbase over and insert all the wheels. Turn the wheelbase upright, then insert the support rod into the wheelbase. Turn the chair seat over so it's upside down and place the base plate over the screw holes. Ensure the fronts are facing the correct side and secure with a screw. Place the chair seat into the wheelbase, inserting the support rod into the base plate. Secure the armrest to the chair seat using the provided screw holes located on both sides of the chair seat. Place the chair back in between the armrests, lining up the screw holes and secure with provided screws. Place grommet covers into the screw holes and enjoy!